In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious, healthy rice paper wrap with fresh herbs, vegetables, and fish. If you enjoy the video, hit the thumb up icon and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. Okay, I have everything assembled and ready for us to wrap the rice paper wrap with fish as the fillings. So let me just do a recap of what I have so far. I have a platter of all the different kind of Vietnamese mint. I did a separate video on this, so I'll link the video for you all to see what type of mint I have here. But another platter that I have is I have the Vietnamese vermicelli, the noodles, cucumber. These are the English cucumbers that I slice up. These are the bean sprouts. These are the green spring mix. You can use spring mix or the butter lettuce, any type of lettuce that you have. These are the pickle carrots and daikons. And I like to have pineapple in my rice paper wrap. So that's what I have so far. This is the rice noodle brand that I use. Follow the package instruction on how to cook the noodles. So these are the shrimp chips. You can certainly fry this at home or you can purchase it at any of the Asian grocery store. So what I'm going to do is just grab a couple of them and put it in a plastic wrap. I'm going to crush them because in the rice paper I already have something minty, soft, noodles, and all the garnish. I have my protein. I want something that's crunchy on top of the rice paper wrap. So I'm just gonna put it in a plastic wrap and then just crunch it with my hand like this. And then we'll top this over the rice paper wrap. So.
Hello everybody, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a rice paper wrap using fish, and rice paper spring rolls can have any sort of fillings in it, as you can see on my mom's channel. It doesn't have to be shrimp or pork, it can be tofu, it can be fish, it can be anything. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take my rice paper and wet it very quickly. Get all that wetness in there, and so I'm going to start with
Start with the spring, because the spring
yes, I'm going to start with some
lettuce,
the spring mix, so be like a
bedding, kind of like a bedding for your burrito.
Yes, and then, or it'll be my frame, like it'll be my bed frame, right?
Yes.
And then the noodles will be my little mattress.
Oh, very nice. And that's a good way of saying it.
Thank you.
Good job.
And I'm going to put some cucumbers, some more veggies, pickled boys.
Don't forget your mint.
Yes, yes, yes. I will get to the herbs in just a second, Mother. And then I'll do some herbs. So I do really like mint. And I like these guys.
That's rawram.
Rawram.
Coriander.
And I like some of these purple boys.
Tito.
Tito. And then now I'm going to add in some fish. I'm going to take this little piece right here. And like my mother said, she did use whole catfish, so we're going to be careful not to get any bones. I don't think there are any. Very nice. And
you can use, at home, Francine, you can use the catfish filet that you get at the regular grocery store. I just happened to bought the whole catfish at the Asian market.
Because you're hella skilled and you can...
Yeah, because I'm somewhat of a professional cook. And I have experience cooking catfish, so I can use whole catfish. But for you guys that don't have experience cooking whole catfish, you can use the catfish fillet or any type of white fish fillet that you have. And what are you putting on top there?
I'm putting in the crushed chips for crunchiness, and I put the pineapple right here because I'm gonna roll. And so I'm gonna like tuck everything in. They're little mattress, they're little bed boys. I'm gonna go to sleep. taking this metaphor all the way home, baby. And then we're gonna pick up the science here.
Yeah, so if you leave the rice paper on the board for too long, it'll be sticky. So yeah, we've been talking. Sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
But you have about, once you wet the rice paper, you have about 30 seconds in total to get everything rolled up and wrapped up. Otherwise, it'll get sticky.
I feel like it depends on the material too. So if you're like this wood might be a little bit hard, but if you're on like a plate or something, I've never had like crazy trouble with that. So yeah, bam, that's my little
Very nice. Do you want to cut it in half?
Oh yeah, sure. Get some cross section action.
Yeah.
Can go. Should we do a diagonal?
Sure.
Whoa, fancy. Bam. Ooh, sexy. What does that look like?
Deliciousness.
Mm-hmm.
So why don't you taste it?
I will. Beep, beep, beep. Just gonna take my dipping sauce, dip it in there. Super tasty.
Mm-hmm. Yummy?
Mm-hmm. Super refreshing. The pineapple and the vegetables really brighten the fish.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, love it.
Yeah, and I didn't put any seasoning in the fish at all. I just, I put a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I just put that in the oven for 20 minutes to bake, and then I top it with a scallion and olive oil, and that's it.
The first thing I'm gonna put down is the lettuce leaf or the green mix, and then I'm gonna add in the mint that I want. I like the purple mint. I like the fish mint, so I'm gonna do that. A couple of these guys too. Love mint. Then I'm gonna skip the noodles because we're doing a low carbs here. For me, but for you, Francine, you can put in noodles if you want.
Indeed.
I want pineapple. Maybe I'll put pineapple as the showcase, but put pickle, daikon, and carrots. And then I'm gonna grab some catfish. This is whole catfish. It has bone in there, so be very careful. Put that, and then just gonna fold to secure the wrap. So you fold it just like a burrito, right? You secure the one end first, and then the other end, this end. I forgot the crunchiness, so just add that, the fish, the shrimp chips, and then just fold this guy in. So here is my rice paper wrap with fish as fillings. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll see. I love the combination of pineapple, fish. I know that doesn't sound very good, but it's so tasty. And the crunchiness of the chips, cucumber, and all the different mint just kind of combined together and singing in my mouth. So it's really good.